NFT Generator tutorial. Create 10,000 NFTs to sell on Opensea. Hey there guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you a tool which can create up to 10,000 NFTs in just a matter of minutes. If you're not yet familiar with what NFTs are, well, NFT stands for non-fungible tokens, and they're basically cryptographic assets on blockchain with unique identification codes and metadata that distinguish them from each other. Unlike cryptocurrencies, they cannot be traded or exchanged at equivalency. This differs from fungible tokens like cryptocurrencies, which are identical to each other, therefore they can be used as a medium for commercial transactions. And just like Bitcoin, NFTs also contain ownership details for easy identification and transfer between token holders. Owners can also add metadata or attributes pertaining to the asset in NFTs. For example, tokens for sending coffee beans can be classified as fair trade, or artists can sign their digital artwork with their own signature in the metadata. And with this, you can see that NFTs are an evolution over the relatively simple concept of cryptocurrencies. So moving on from the intro, let's get right into it. First things first, you have to head over to this website called nftgenerator.art. That's nft-generator.art. So once you're here, this is how the website will look like. And if you're not familiar with how this website works, it's pretty simple. You can click on the video right here to follow a step-by-step guide on how to use this website. But we're already going to show you how to use it, so make sure to stick around for everything you need to know. So right below that is the pricing. So we can generate up to 100 NFTs for free. To generate up to 1,000 NFTs, we need to pay at least $180. For 5,000 NFTs, we need to pay $280. And for 10,000 NFTs, we need to pay $390. For this video though, we're going to go ahead and stick with the free version just so you guys can get the gist of it. Now simply click the Get Started button right here and you'll be redirected to this page where you can start uploading the layers of your NFT. Right now we're on the background layer, so the next thing I want to do is create a foreground and icons layer. Now that you have your layers, you can go ahead and upload your content. So now click on the background layer and upload your backgrounds. You can upload as many backgrounds as you want, but for this project I want to stick with one background. And after that, all you have to do is proceed to upload the other layers that you want to add on top of that. The important part here is to make sure that everything is roughly in the same resolution. So if your background has a resolution of 480 by 480, everything else you add should be in that same resolution, or at least lower than that. So when you're creating all the different layers of the NFTs you wish to generate, make sure the foreground and icons are the same resolution as the background, but size them in your editing software a little bit smaller so that there's space for the lower layers to be seen. You can still continue with generating your NFT even with GIFs or images of different resolutions, but it will most likely turn out bad. Everything is going to be all over the place since the resolutions don't match each other. So if you're working on an NFT that has layers that go to specific areas on top of one another, what's most likely going to happen is they're not going to sit where you want them to. I've seen this mistake done countless of times by people who haven't thought through the exact dimensions of the art they're making. So it's best for you to learn from their mistakes and avoid wasting time re-editing or even remaking your art just for them to fit into the same resolution. Again, you have to make sure they all have the same dimensions, or at least close enough so that they will sit nicely on top of the other layers. Now I have uploaded 6 icons, and you might be wondering what all these percentages are for. Well, they're there to show you the likeliness of an item being used in your generated NFT. Basically, it's how rare those items are going to show up in each generated NFT. Now if we click preview, we'll be able to see what it's going to look like. Wait a couple of seconds for the preview to generate, and there you go. If you're happy with how it turns out, you can then enter the name of the project under the project name box on the top right, and below that you can also add in the project description. You can add the size of the collection as well. So I'm going with 10 for now just to show you guys how it works. You can generate however many you want for free as long as you keep it at 100 or lower. Then you have the dimensions, which is already set to 480 by 480. You also have your layer settings over here and the rarity control. So now that your NFT works, what we'll do next is click the drop down button beside generate collection, and as you can see, we can generate up to 100 different NFTs for free. Since we're only generating 10, which is not an option here, let's just click generate collection. And now you can see that it's starting to generate our NFTs. Once done, it's going to ask you to enter your email address. Then all you have to do is just simply click download and you'll be able to download everything as a zip file. And that's basically it. Now this downloading process might take up some time depending on your internet speed. Again, I'm only generating 10 NFTs for the sake of time, but you can do up to 100 for free. Any more than that and you'll have to pay for their services. So once everything's done generating and you've clicked on download, you just have to set the location of where you want your file to be. And once that's done, we can right click on the zip file and choose extract here. Now just to open up the folder and see how everything turned out. And there you have it. They look pretty good to me. Some of them could use some work, but then again, I did only set this up to make this quick video. Now you know how to generate NFTs through this amazing tool called NFT Generator. So just to sum it all up, you head to nft-generator.art, click on Get Started to be redirected to the editing page, make however many layers you need for your NFT, upload the layers that you made to their corresponding category, making sure they're all in the same resolution, add a project name and adjust the settings on the right to however you want them to be. Click preview to see how your generated NFT turns out. Once you're happy with the preview, choose how many you want to generate, wait for it to finish generating, enter your email and download the zip file. Extract that zip file to your preferred folder, and there you have it. All you have to do now is upload the NFTs you've generated to whichever marketplace you prefer and promote them through whatever means fit best for you. Now we have more videos coming up about turning your own art into an NFT, along with videos following up on how to promote, sell, and make a community around your NFT. So make sure to stick around the channel so you don't miss out on any of them. So on that note, that's it for this video, guys. If you enjoyed this video or found it helpful, make sure to leave a like and maybe even comment down below what you think. And subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this one. Again, thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.